to delete Cash App family account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your Cash App family account. So for that, just simply open your Cash App account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And over here, just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the section called family. Just simply tap on it. And over here, in order to share the benefits with your family member, you first need to have a family joint account with the family members that you are using this Cash App account of yours. And in order to add your family member, you need to be a teenager. If you're not a teen, you won't be able to add family members or your parents in your Cash App account, because then you are not a teen anymore, and you can handle your finances with your Cash App account quite easily. So if you want to add your family members in your Cash App account, you need to be a teen, and if you're not, then you won't be able to use this option. And so for example, you are a teen, so you have to register yourself as a teen. So just simply click on I am a teen, and after that just simply enter your details like your legal name, and just click on confirm, and you need to enter your legal date of birth and other details following the on-screen instructions that you will see. And once you enter all these details, in order to cancel your Cash App family account that you have just created, you need to find the person you want to remove from the list or the people that you have added in your Cash App account as your family members. And after that, just simply tap on the three dot in the top right corner right beside the name of the person that you have added in your Cash App account. And after that, just select remove from family and click on the confirm section to remove by tapping removing on the pop-up that will appear on your screen. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your Cash App family account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.